In today's competitive retail world, staying ahead demands a thorough grasp of business performance and customer behavior. To provide merchants with the essential information, integrated analytics within a point-of-sale system have emerged as a game changer. By providing comprehensive sales and performance information in real time, retailers obtain vital insights into the success of their businesses, allowing them to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and maximize profitability. In this video, we will examine the relevance and benefits of integrated analytics within a POS system, demonstrating how it enables retailers to harness the power of data and propel their business to new heights. Real-time performance monitoring. Integrated analytics in a POS system enable retailers with real-time performance tracking, allowing them to track sales, revenue, and other vital indicators as transactions occur. This real-time visibility enables retailers to keep informed about the health of their business, analyzing trends and spotting possible difficulties as they develop. Retailers may immediately assess the impact of marketing initiatives, promotions, or changes in product range by getting up-to-date data on sales performance. This knowledge enables them to make fast adjustments to their strategies, capitalize on emerging possibilities, and solve any prospective obstacles. Comprehensive sales evaluation. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a full picture of their sales data, allowing them to acquire insights into customer behavior, product performance, and revenue trends. Retailers can evaluate sales data based on a variety of parameters, including product categories, particular items, customer segments, and time periods. This degree of granularity enables in-depth analysis and identification of top-selling products, high-value client groupings, and peak sales periods. Inventory management improvement. Integrated analytics are critical for optimizing inventory management procedures, lowering costs, and boosting overall efficiency. Retailers can obtain real-time inventory data via their POS system, allowing them to monitor stock levels, manage inventory turnover, and spot potential stockouts or overstock issues. With this information, merchants may proactively alter inventory levels, optimize procurement, and cut holding costs. Retailers can accurately estimate demand and synchronize inventory levels by combining inventory data with sales analytics. This enables businesses to maintain ideal stock levels, reduce stock disparities, and lessen the risk of missed sales due to stockouts or surplus inventory. Data-informed decision-making. Integrated analytics enables merchants to make informed, data-driven decisions across multiple elements of their organization. By combining sales data, customer insights, and inventory information, merchants may find opportunities for product expansion, optimize pricing tactics, and alter marketing activities to maximize their return on investment. Retailers can use real-time performance analytics to assess the success of marketing initiatives, quantify the impact of promotions, and make data-driven decisions about budget allocation and resource management. Reporting and visualization that is actionable. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a variety of reporting and visualization capabilities to transform raw data into actionable insights. Retailers can develop reports and dashboards that provide a clear, visual picture of important performance indicators, sales trends, and consumer information. These visualizations assist merchants in comprehending complex data and efficiently communicating insights inside their organization. Additionally, businesses can set up automated reports and alerts to highlight important changes or abnormalities in their sales or inventory data. This proactive approach allows merchants to respond promptly to new trends or difficulties, assuring effective decision-making and avoiding potential risks.